So this is a cacao tree. That fruit there is more ripe, the green ones. Not ripe. You see, they're not very tall trees. Okay, and then when you open the mature one up, this is what it looks like inside. That's the, I guess, the pulp inside the pod. On all these places is where you find seeds or the beans that look like this, like that. Okay. Then what happens is the people will toast this over an open flame. And when it's toasted, you crack it open like a peanut shell. And then what's inside, you grind it up to make ground cacao. Very cool.